Hello, techies. So this is lab 3.3.7 and we're going to install triple channel memory. So you work at a computer repair store, you are building a new computer for a customer. The computer has an Intel i7-960 processor and you need to install memory in the computer. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following. You're going to install a total of 3 memory modules. Configure the memory to run in triple channel mode. For triple channel operation, memory should be installed on match set. Select the largest and the fastest memory supported by the motherboard. Install the memory according to the motherboard recommendation. After you install the memory, boot into the BIOS setup, press F2 and verify that the memory is running in triple channel mode. So as a complete this lab, consult the motherboard documentation and find answers to the following question. What is the maximum amount of memory supported by the motherboard? What is the maximum capacity of a single module? What is the maximum speed supported? Which memory slot? Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is the maximum amount of memory supported by the motherboard? Alright, so let's go over to the inventory area and see what we have. Okay, so what is the maximum amount of memory supported by the motherboard? Okay, so let's go into the CPU. We go to the back and turn off the power supply first. That is very important. In fact, that is the first thing you should do before working on any CPU. Make sure the power supply is turned off, so it prevents you from getting electrocuted and also getting shocks from the computer. And okay, now that we are inside the motherboard, let's see the specifications. How many memory slots do we have? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 slots here. And let's go into the motherboard detail and see what we have inside the motherboard. So we go over the memory specification and see what we have. So that will be number 4. For number 4, it says DDR3 slot left, right, and A2 DIM 1, A2 DIM B2, DIM B1, DIM B. Okay. Okay, so 4 pin DIM C2 and DIM C1. Okay, so let's see. So the motherboard comes with 6 double data with 3 DDR3 dual inline memory modules, DIMM socket DDR3. So DDR3 module has the physical dimension of DDR2 DIMM but notched differently to prevent installation on DDR2 DIMM socket. DDR3 modules are developed for better performance, less power consumption. Okay. So alright, so it's important you read the specifications of the motherboard so that you know what you are working with. So it is important to read this just to get as much information as possible. So what is the maximum amount of memory supported by the motherboard? We get to that soon. So you may install 1 gig and 2 gig on both ECC and non-ECC DDR3 DIMM. Note, due to the memory address limitation on a 32-bit Windows OS, when you install 4 gigabytes or more memory, the actual memory for the OS can be 3.5 gigabytes. So the motherboard supports memory up to 1600 megahertz. However, 1600 megahertz is only supported when installing a maximum of 3 modules in triple channel when using the DDR3 1600 module. It is recommended that you install the modules in for DIM 1, DIM A1, DIM B1, and DIM C1. slot. Okay, so I think we've gotten as much information as needed. It says you may install 1 gig and 2 gigabytes on both ECC. Okay, so for the memory module, if you calculate that, we have 6 slots there, and we can install 1 gigabyte and 2 gigabytes on both ECC and non-ECC DDR3 DIMMs. So that means let's go over here again and see 1 gig and 2 gig on both memory. So we'll go over. So if this is A1, B1, C1, and if you install all of those in this slot, the total memory we're gonna have is this is it here, 1, and this is 2 here, and this is 3 here. So let's go over into the memory area and install the memory according to the specifications on the motherboard chart. So let's look at the motherboard. We have DDR3 here, so it's going to go into the slot here. DDR3 1600. This is going to go here. DDR3, we have DDR3 1600 here. It's going to come into this slot here. Okay, so we have 3 here. Move this here, turn this to the back, and we are going to turn on the power supply. Go back and turn this to the front. So let's power on the CPU and see how we do. Okay, so this is turning on. So what we want to do is to go into the BIOS and confirm that the memory are duly installed. So we have the memory speed here 1600, have DDR3, 2 gigabytes, and DIMM slots, and DDR3, 2 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes. So that is total of 6 gigabytes, and I think that is what we installed. So go ahead and exit these. Okay, so let's see. In the absence of any other field, we'll go ahead and see how we'll do. So we see if it boots into Windows. Of course, it's gonna boot into Windows, but if it even turn on, that means the memory is fine. We are good to go. So let's look at our task just to be sure we've done everything correctly. We'll go ahead and scroll out. Let's see how we do. Okay, so the score is 100%. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, share the video to other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. And you know I will definitely see you in my next video. Peace.